kay Santa Rosa. So si Janjan Salazar. Here he comes. Janjan stops on the dime, puts the jumper in.
Can score that basketball. Very shifty, very slippery. Has a really good pull-up. Kaya masakit pag hindi siya naglalaro para din sa Imus because they are lacking a point guard. Sprained his ankle pretty bad in that last game. So, kung nanonood ka man, George, sana okay ka lang and hope you're recovering pretty well.
Prince Casid gets it. Forcing it up, wala. Hamito. Parang carbon copy lang nung ginawa niya nung una.
Same photocopy finish as well.
Saka very adept for both hands. Long two-point shot from Janjan Salazar.
Hindi ready to si Justin Padua. That's a good find by Janjan Salazar, but everybody was expecting him to take the shot on the other end. The veteran. Good quality here in the MPBL.
Si Coach Christian, may listahan yan. Nung lahat nung taga St. Clair na naglaro na ngayon sa MPBL. Pero ito, dating CEO naman ang nagpaitang gilas. 7-6. Favor of Imus. Nakagaw pa nilang bola. Melenchon gives it up to Ferrer. Ferrer will finish on the fast break.
Tsaka pataas yung laro na itong si Prince Casid.
Tapos papasok na yung 5 dapat. Kaso, kailangan pa tumira ng free throw. So, kung magmintes, magsistay sa floor. Yun dapat papalitan doon.
Trust and respect makes a better team. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Sheila. And, so far, maganda naman yung kanilang performance. Ian Pardo. Bounce pass to Jowish Gracia. Siya rin. Off the glass and in.
On their end, at sumasabay sila dun sa rhythm ng Imus and a turnover from Joko Taintong.
Give it up to Fuentes. Takes the free and makes it. 9 on their shot clock. Leaning in was Jeremy. Wala. Matias sa loob. Binomba pa yung tira.
So, dalawang veterano ang hindi maglalaro para dito sa Imus. It's Jordan Rios and Malong Marquez.
Matias, pepersa sa ilalim. 2 more points for Ronnie Matias. Si Bonel Palingit isang paborito o rin komedyante.
Oo.
Jeremy Capanag puts in the jumper.
Good execution to end the quarter. Just a simple action, a screen.